Yo, what's up, folks? It's Luna Grim Reaper here again with my little niece, the goat. I know it's been a little while since the last video, but we also have a small announcement. We are going to Holiday World.
In 2 days.
2 days. Today we are getting packed and getting everything ready. Tomorrow is when we get our rent-a-van and start packing shit to go to Santa Claus, Indiana.
Yeah.
Right now, we're pretty much doing a slime video. Everyone knows Poopsie Unicorn Crush slime surprises. They come in varieties of different ones of these. Don't have one. We have to go to the bedroom when we're leaving. I can pause this. It's just gonna look weird.
You want to just redo it?
No.
Put it back. Pause it. Can you combine the video?
It'll be paused.
It's fine.
Okay. Unicorn Crush, of course.
Yeah.
The slime's in the bottom with the instructions. I don't listen to the instructions because
no one cares.
Well, also that and the instructions fuck your slime up.
Yes.
They tell you to put your unicorn sand horn glitter thing in the water for 10 seconds. No, it'll explode in the water and you'll waste glitter.
Yeah.
You put it in there for 5.
So get your horn out, and then we'll open our slime. Mine's so weird. Are you ready?
I'm violent with this shit, people.
Don't open it yet, like that. Ready? Okay. Oh, I got purple.
Auntie's hands are
I don't know.
Ah!
It's kind of stinky.
Open this. Open this.
Look, do it like this.
I know, my hands are sweaty.
Oh, you got clear.
Oh, I got green.
Oh, green.
Green, you know what green is, people. Green is good for go, also for marijuana. Green. It smells like... Oh my god, it smells like perfume, but not really. Like hand sanitizer wipes.
Oh my gosh, smell mine.
Oh my god! These smell so fantastic.
Yeah,
it's weird. And we have 2 more of these.
That we're doing.
Yes.
It's kind of sticky though.
Yeah, my hands are wet.
We are kind of high.
Newsflash, we are kind of stoned, and this shit is very sticky. We are also doing it outside.
Yeah, that's why. Because it's sticky.
And we don't want to fuck up carpet, because everyone knows with slime and carpet does not end well.
Definitely not. And Eric would get pissed. You know that. For sure.
Eric will name on here is Boo Boo Kitty Fuck. You're not supposed to use real names.
Or Boo Boo Kitty Fuck.
Yeah, Boo Boo Kitty Fuck. Everyone knows Boo Boo Kitty Fuck from the last few videos.
Hold on, no, my slime's not out. God dang. Takes up forever in a day. Okay, whatever. You know, I got the majority of it out. Or whatever. Ooh, I love that.
Okay, it's actually yellow, not green.
Yeah. Okay, so now, we put our horns in there for 10 seconds?
No, 5, because if we hold it under longer, you won't even get the glitter. It'll explode in the water.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's do this. Wait for
Eating
you.
all my slime.
Yeah, I know. I got most of mine, I guess.
Okay.
Oh shit, that was a lot. Yeah. Oh, gosh dang it, I thought my cup was still there. Okay, ready?
Okay, so these things have holes on the bottom for you to yank and
yeah,
pull.
but be careful not to break it.
Well, it's fine to break it.
Okay.
No.
Oh.
You open it.
Oh.
It's the case.
Oh, that's cool. Mine's purple.
Hers is purple. This is the sand that you put in the water that we have here. The glitter is inside the sand. That's why you only hold it under for 5 minutes.
And then you put it in.
And then you put it in. Which
this is gonna be so lit. Oh yeah, and then we can put our slime in here.
I wouldn't. That's why it dries out faster. That's why I put it in like little scope, like containers.
Okay.
Because it lasts longer. Can you open it?
Are you shitting me?
Yes, I have no nails. You actually have somewhat of a nail.
Oh my gosh, this is kind of hard though. Told you we should have got scissors. Oh,
Ha! Scissors. What scissors?
whatever.
That's why my
'Kay,
niece
ready?
is the best.
Ready?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you sure about this? Mine's not soggy enough.
Bottom.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Oh my god, I love it!
You gotta put it in there.
I don't put all the sand in.
Why?
'Cause
No, it'll get rid of it. Put it all in
I
there.
don't like putting all the sand in.
Whatever, dude.
I like feeling what it feels like in the water, though. That's why I stick it in the water.
Oh my goodness. Like, I don't even know where my slime is right now. We should have got a tote thing, probably.
Yeah.
You were right.
I'm going to have glitter gone everywhere, but oh well.
Yeah, same. Okay, whatever. I'll get it on the porch. I don't care. That's why we're outside.
We're also going to have to wipe it off.
Yeah, I know. Okay, this like feels like kind of good. I love it. Aren't you glad we got them?
Yes. Now, these unicorn crushes can run...
Alright, what kind of pizzas y'all want? Like, I know...
Cheese.
Cheese? Both y'all want cheese?
Yeah.
You don't want pepperoni?
And that's Boo Boo Kitty Fuck People. He's back.
We got slime, Eric. Okay.
Is that the same? Why you got all over the patio for?
Because I dropped.
You just going to town over here. Is that all? No, you still got 2 more, don't you?
Yeah.
What little figure did you get with it?
You don't
You
get
can
figures
get
with
one
these.
with
Oh, you
The
don't
cutie
get one.
tooties you get figures with.
Oh, well, I don't know that. Alright, so cheese for you guys,
Mhm.
pepperoni, sausage, bub, cheese, pepperoni,
Oh
sausage,
yeah, that's what I could have done, but I'm gonna try to.
pepperoni.
I have also gotten glitter everywhere on my legs, and I am very sweaty, so it's not coming off. So, yay.
And this is also not coming out of my cup.
You will have a lot of glitter. That's why you either would like to do it outside of your house or on a glass tabletop where you can just use tape to get the glitter off.
Do we even have any subscribers, bro?
We have 4.
Oh yeah.
So as you see,
This is the finishing touch.
and you're going to have a lot.
Okay, so I just bring the menu out here and like leave it?
Hey, can you bring us 2 more cups?
And can you bring me like some sort of tote thing for like food?
So we can put this slime on it without putting it on the deck?
Wait, what?
Give me Ziploc bags. How about that?
Yeah. Well, I mean, they don't work that well, but...
Actually, no, Ziploc bags will work.
Not for this slime. Mine's kind of sticky.
Okay, I'm sitting it. I'm just going to start doing this. I'm just going to sit on the phone.
Alright. 2 big Ziplocs, 2 cups. I am going to order these fucking pizzas.
Okay. Okay, well, I gotta put this in here. Whatever. I'm just gonna rinse my hand off for that, you know?
Make sure all the air is out. If you are using a Ziploc bag, make sure that all the air is out so you still have slime. And honestly, you want to stick it in there.
Okay.
There's a lot of mess. I'm going to show you now. All the mess that you cannot see. This is all the mess that you will get to play with. All the glitter.
Yay, great.
Excess glitter. that's hers over there. This is.
Anywho.
So,
Anyhow, whatever. I have too much slime.
so there's that. That's why you don't stick it in there, because it sticks so bad. And this is like the leftover horn in the water.
Even though I didn't put mine in there. Can you open this bag for me, please?
Yes, we're going to pause for a minute, and I have glitter on my face. That's great.